It is still snowing out here. It's been snowing for about 2 hours. Anyways, let me show you what I did. I'm a get it done kind of guy, and sometimes I needed a chain. I didn't have a chain, but I got a tow strap. So what I'm gonna try to do is have the plow on the front, the grader on the back. We're gonna see how this works. Let's get started.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice cover.
Well, I'll be honest with you, I don't think it did anything. I also think I need some more weight in the front of this, so let me go get some weight. So kind of my idea is that the grader scarification teeth will bust up the ice, and then I can use a plow to push it out of the way. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. I'm just trying something, because trying something's better than doing nothing. I'm not even sure I can move because the grader is actually froze to the ground.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross
So this is kind of the problem I was having the last time I tried something similar to this, is that the ATV would get stuck a lot.
to help my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. No, no. Why can't you just let me?
Well, crap. Try to raise this blade up. The other thing is too, because I don't have the grader mounted correctly, I can't really back up the way I normally would. Actually, I just had another idea. Might work. And it might not. I unhook the grader from the ATV and then I can just back it out. Hopefully.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
And we're back in business, I think.
Everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Well, that's pretty much it for me. I am probably going to be just snowed in until it melts. And I'm sure work isn't going to like that, but they're just going to have to understand.